Good afternoon. My name is Alexa Strong. Class is Anatomy and Physiology Lab. Okay, I'll be answering essay question week 4. And it says your X-ray exam reveals that you have fractured your tibia. And it says explain why the fracture of the tibia would be worse than the fracture of a fibula. The tibia supports more weight than the fibula. And there's less soft tissue around the tibia, so the break is often an open fracture and more susceptible to infection. Number 2, it says an individual with very low vitamin D presents themselves to you complaining of seemingly fragile bones. Explain how these might be connected. Vitamin D is required for calcium absorption of the bones. Low vitamin D can lead to insufficient levels of calcium in the blood, so the calcium is being released from the bones, and the reduction of the calcium from the bones can make them weak and fracture easily. The third one is during the early years of space exploration, our astronauts who had been floating in space would return to Earth, showing significant bone loss depending on how long they were in space. Discuss how this might happen and what could be done to elevate this condition. How it might happen is because when they're up in space, they have no gravitational pull against the body, which means the bones have lack of mechanical stress against the bones, and the lack of mechanical stress results in bone loss and strength. How could it help? They could be exercising the bones, like physical exercise, or like just moving up and down versus just sitting with no force against them. Thank you and have a great day.